Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start chapter Olympic Value Education. In this chapter we have to learn Olympic games, Olympic symbols, ideals, objectives, value of Olympism, International Olympic Committee, Indian Olympic Association, Paralympics and Special Olympics. First of all, we have to learn about ancient Olympic Games. History of ancient Olympic Games. The Olympic game was originated long ago in ancient Greece. The record says that the first historic mentioning of game occurred in the year 776 BC. These games were played in the state of Athens near the valley of Aphar river at Olympia. The games were held with religious customs in the honor of their god Zeus. The ceremony of Olympic Games begin from the new moon day in July after 4 years. The event of Olympic continue for 5 days. On the first day of games, the priest performed the rituals with grand opening and burned the sacred torch. On the second, third, and fourth day, amphibians, dialogues, equestrian, pugilis were played. On the fifth day of closing ceremony, the prizes were given to heroes. The flock of pigeons were sent to all cities of Greece, which carry the names of champions. Olive crown was awarded to winner, which were made up of olive leaf from a sacred tree near the temple of Zeus. The games came to sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius ordered to stop the game in 394 AD. The Olympic Games were seen as pagan festival and in discord with Christian ethics. Some temples were destroyed and some got destroyed by natural hazards. And thus the ancient Olympic Games declined. तो स्टूडेंट ये था हमारा हिस्ट्री एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम्स के। इसके बाद एंशिएंट ओलंपिक गेम्स के पश्चात मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स का ओरिजिनेट होता है। हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में देखेंगे मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स। मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स कैसे रिवाइव हुए, किसने इसका प्रारंभ किया और उनका क्या प्रयास रहा, जिससे आज के समय में हम लोग मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स प्रत्येक 4 वर्षों के पश्चात देखते हैं। Ancient Olympia were uncovered by German archaeologists in the mid-19th century. Then interest was produced to revive Olympic. The revival work of Olympic Games was undertaken by Baron Pierre de Coubertin. It was Coubertin's imagination to restart the ancient Olympic game at world level. For this purpose, he called a meeting of various countries in 1893. Some countries were in favor of, whereas the rest of the countries opposed it. Thereafter, again on June 16, 1894, the meeting was held in Paris, in which 75 representatives participated from 13 countries, passed the resolution to create IOC to absorb the conduct of modern Olympic Games. Coubertin succeeded in enlisting worldwide support, and the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. During the first game, only 9 countries participated, and later on the number of participating countries increased. तो स्टूडेंट ये था हमारा मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स कैसे रिवाइव हुआ। अभी हम लोगों ने देखा मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स को, और बैरन पियर डी कुवर्टिन को फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स भी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि इनके प्रयास से ही मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स रिवाइव किया गया। मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स के मोटो क्या है? मोटो was coined by Father Didon, who was the headmaster of the school near Paris and a great promoter of sports in France Catholic College. The motto of Olympic Games comprises of three Latin words: Citius, Altius, Fortius. Citius means faster, Altius means higher and Fortius means stronger. तो ये तीन वर्ड है जिसे हम ओलंपिक मोटो कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट है हमारा ओलंपिक सिंबल। ओलंपिक सिंबल के बारे में 5 circles interlinked with each other. The color are blue denote American continent, black denote African continent, red denote Australian continent, yellow denote Asian continent and green denote European continent. ओलंपिक के ये जो सिंबल हैं 5 रिंग्स 5 कंटिनेंट को डिनोट करते हैं और ये एक दूसरे से इंटरलिंक्ड हैं। ये इंटरलिंक्ड होना ये शो करता है यूनिटी एंड फ्रेंडशिप। तो ये था ओलंपिक सिंबल। नेक्स्ट है हमारा ओलंपिक आइडियल्स। द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन ओलंपिक इज नॉट टू विन बट टू टेक पार्ट। द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन लाइफ is not the triumph but struggle, but the essential thing is not to have conquered but to have fought well. Next one is Olympic flag. Olympic flag was designed according to Coubertin's suggestions in 1914. But this was hosted for first time in the Olympic Stadium at the Antwerp, Belgium Olympic in 1920. This flag consists of 5 colored ring circles interlinked with each other on white silk background. तो जैसा कि स्क्रीन में फिगर के ऊपर हम लोग ओलंपिक फ्लैग को देख रहे हैं, वाइट सिल्क बैकग्राउंड के ऊपर में 5 इंटरलिंक्ड सर्कल प्रिंट रहता है। नेक्स्ट वन इज ओलंपिक ऑब्जेक्टिव। ओलंपिक गेम्स प्रत्येक 4 वर्षों के पश्चात ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है। तो आखिर बैरन पियर डी कुवर्टिन ने रिवाइव जो किए थे ओलंपिक गेम्स को, आखिर क्या उद्देश्य रखा गया था? द ओलंपिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर नंबर 1 टू पे अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन इन ऑल द कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। सेकेंड वन इज टू डेवलप द पर्सनालिटीज, कैरेक्टर, सिटीजनशिप क्वालिटीज एंड हेल्थ एमंग यूथ। थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज to develop international peace. Fourth objective is not to have any discrimination on the basis of caste, color, religion and creed. These are the objectives of modern Olympic Games. Now our next topic is value of Olympism. Value of ओलंपिज्म, हमें क्या क्या मूल्य प्राप्त होते हैं ओलंपिक खेल के द्वारा। तो जैसा कि हम स्क्रीन में देख रहे हैं, फ्रेंडशिप, फेयर प्ले, सॉलिडरिटी, फ्री फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। तो 1 बाय 1 हम लोग डिटेल्स में जानेंगे। द फॉलोइंग वैल्यू कैन बी डेवलप्ड थ्रू ओलंपिक मूवमेंट। फ्रेंडशिप। Olympic is organized to create a spirit of international amity and goodwill and to contribute to a better understanding among people and nations. The second value is fair play. Olympic Games promote the idea of fair play. This value should be maintained in all types of games. These should not be favored towards a team or player. Kuratin said that the important thing in the Olympic is not to win but to take part. Next value is solidarity. It gives a feeling of brotherhood and unity among people of various nations and continents. Solidarity is that value which helps a country to face all the challenges and fight back. This concept is so useful to win a game or to struggle. In words of Kuratin, the important thing in life is not the triumph but struggle. Next value is free from discrimination. Discrimination is an abuse. It is followed by many games. A particular caste, race, etc. cannot play that game. But in Olympic family, there is not discrimination of caste, creed, color or race. And all the competitors have to be amateurs. तो स्टूडेंट ये थे हमारा वैल्यू ऑफ ओलंपिज्म। Thanks for watching this video. Rest of the topics will be covered in the next part. Remaining topics जो स्टूडेंट्स बचे हुए हैं ओलंपिक वैल्यू एजुकेशंस के, उन बचे हुए टॉपिक को हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे।